Good morning, student. My name is Ram Prakash Tiwari, Assistant Professor in SRMU Lucknow. Today's topic is BSc first semester topic Physical Chemistry. Physical Chemistry topic BSc first semester, and topic is Chemical Kinetics. Chemical Kinetics topic basic concept of chemical kinetics. So you are reading this concept in 12th class also. So we have you are know the kinetics. Kinetics so the rate of reaction means the what is the rate of reaction? Reaction is slow or reaction is fast. This type of concept is coming from chemical kinetics. So let us consider a equation A plus BV is converted to C plus DD. Then rate of reaction, what is the rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is minus 1 by A. A is coefficient dA upon dt. dA upon dt. Minus sign indicates this is reactant and this is product. Reactant is decompose, reduce, then minus sign is coming. Also in case of V, minus sign is also coming because the decomposition of reactant to product, then 1 by B dB upon dt. Again in case of product, the formation of compound, then 1 by C dC upon dt, 1 by D dd upon dt. Rate of disappearance. What is the rate of disappearance? The rate of disappearance, if we cannot take the coefficient part, then we can write the rate of disappearance minus dA upon dt in case of A, and in case of V minus dB upon dt. Rate of formation is the product formation, then rate of formation is dC upon dt equal to dd upon dt. What is the unit? What is the unit of the rate constant? Unit of the rate constant is the rate of reaction is also we have written as K a की power n, where n equal to order of reaction. For first order reaction, for zero order reaction, n equal to 0 means rate equal to K a की power 0, and if power is 0 then this value is coming 1. Rate equal to K, where K is rate constant, where K equal to rate constant. Then what is the unit of rate constant for zero order reaction? Let us consider the equation A plus B is converted to C plus D. Then rate of reaction equal to minus dA upon dt. What is time? The value of this term is molarity term, concentration in term of molarity. Molarity means mole per liter, and T unit is second. So then mole liter inverse second inverse is the unit of rate constant. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction unit is mole liter inverse second inverse, and here the rate equal to rate constant. Then this is also unit of rate constant for zero order reaction. Zero order reaction rate constant and rate of reaction unit is same in zero order reaction. We can see the first order reaction minus dA upon dt equal to Ka. Unit of this term is molarity term, then unit is mole, liter inverse, this one is second inverse, T unit is second inverse, equal to A, not second inverse, T is second, mole, liter inverse, this is cancel out, then here K equal to second inverse, means the unit of rate constant for first order reaction is second inverse. Unit of rate constant for first order reaction is second inverse. This one is mole liter inverse, this one is mole liter inverse, this is rate constant, then this one is going to above and second inverse. The unit of rate constant for first order reaction is second inverse. Thank you.